Well, hello there. It's Denise, DeniseSanger.com, continuing with the After the Hysterectomy series. This is just going to be a quick one. It's one that I've gotten quite a few questions about, and that is hot flashes. Yes, hot flashes. Let's talk about hot flashes. Originally, I was still having a period when I had my hysterectomy. And sorry about that, something turned on there. I was still having a period when I had my hysterectomy, so I was in the what is called perimenopause. I wasn't in menopause yet because I was still having periods, and I had my hysterectomy at 53. So I really didn't have a lot of information at the time on hot flashes. That has since changed, as I'm 57, 4 years after the hysterectomy. And right afterwards, it was probably within a month or so, I started getting hot flashes. And I tell you what, hot flashes can be, they can be a little bit rough. You know, it's not like it's life-changing or life-debilitating as people, you know, when I say rough, that's not what I mean. But I would be sitting there minding my own business, working or talking to somebody or in the gym, and all of a sudden, whoosh, my face would turn bright red. I'd get all red here in the decollage and in the neck, and I'd be having to find something to, and it was just like out of the blue, these things would come. So what did I do? Well, over time, I made a connection between what I was eating and the hot flashes. And for me personally, one thing that would always trigger hot flashes is sugar. So when I overindulged in sugar or sweets in any way, I was guaranteed that I would have hot flashes later that day or the next day, and it could continue for a couple days. Just being aware of that made a big difference for me. The other thing, which you don't see what's over here, is I have an arsenal of essential oils over here. And I did use essential oils, and I still do use essential oils. I only use Young Living essential oils because I'm very particular. Sure, you can go and buy an essential oil for $5 at the drugstore, but that $5 oil is mostly garbage filler stuff in there. So be very smart in what you're buying. But I did use my essential oils, which helped. I would put peppermint on the back of my neck, and I also had clary sage that I would also use. I don't use it as much now. It's more, I think I'm at the tail end of the hot flashes, so I don't really use the essential oils as much as I did about 3 years ago, or 2 years ago, maybe 2.5 years ago. This was a big reason why I started getting into essential oils, was dealing with these menopausal symptoms and issues after my hysterectomy. And it did help. It definitely did help. So if you're having the hot flashes, I would definitely recommend that you take a look into pure, 100% pure essential oils and give them a try. And also the other thing that I can't even recommend enough is to be aware of what you're eating. If you find that you're eating something, for me it was sugar. And even to this day, if I overindulge in sugar, you can bet it, I'm going to be awake all night long running back and forth to the bathroom because my body has to get it out. You know, it's almost like after you drink beer and you go to the bathroom the first time, it's like, forget it. You just unplugged everything and you're going to be running to the bathroom every 5 minutes. With me, sugar does that to my body also. So not only was it causing hot flashes, it also causes my body to want to just remove it whatever way it can. So be aware of what you're eating, okay? And just try to make a connection that when you notice that these hot flashes are worse, or maybe when they're better, what you didn't eat, make the connection and then experiment with it, okay? It might be different for you. Like I said, for me, it's definitely sugar. Sugar definitely affects my body. And that's it. I am updating the After the Hysterectomy series on my website, so be sure you go over there and get on that email list because you're not going to want to miss any of those freebies that are coming out. It'll be denisesanger.com and click the After the Hysterectomy button at the top of the website and watch for more tips and suggestions to get through. You will get through. I promise you. I'm on the tail end of it, and I know it was rough because I went through it. So you will get through it and you will feel better at the end. I hope you're having a wonderful day. Reach out to me, denisesanger@gmail.com, and make sure you sign up for the After the Hysterectomy series on denisesanger.com. Chat soon.